Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Bill, or Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. All right, guys, you hear that? This is what I had to listen to all the way back. We're going to show you how to fix that. All right, you can take your wipers off if you want, but you don't have to. All you have to do is take your Planet Safe, put a couple of drops, 1, 2, run that right down your wiper blade. And that's what you get when you do it. We'll go do the other side. Now the cool part about this is you can keep it right in a Ziploc bag and use it over and over and over again. Nothing lasts as long as this stuff does. It will not evaporate. So you keep that in there. You can mark on it on the bag. Wiper lube. Do this once every 3 to 5 years. Winter blades, summer blades, silicone blades, it doesn't matter.